To another video of FEM team. Today I'm going to showcase to you how to draw a circuit system with varying voltage, current, and resistance. So this is TinkerCAD. So first what I'll do, I'll take out the breadboard. So as you can see, the breadboard you can find here, you just drag and drop that. After that, I will be needing two multimeters. One will be acting as an ammeter and the other one as voltmeter. So I just drag that here and drop it. This one as well. And what I need to do is I just need to select amperage here. Here already the voltage is selected. If you click on that, it will come. Now we need a power supply and a resistor in order to demonstrate to you guys what's the relation of resistance on the current. So I get this power supply, just place it here. There you go, it's placed here. After that, we need a resistor, as I mentioned earlier. So resistor is here. And one thing which can be handy, that if you want to rotate it, so you just do R, you press R. Did that exactly, and now I have placed it here. Okay, so it's I give it a 100 ohm resistance value. Fair enough. After that, this is 5 to 5 power supply, 5 volt and 5 ampere. Now comes the real part. I'll start connecting the resistor with wires and power supply with the ammeters and voltmeters, so such that the current and voltage could be supplied. So I go here, I use the black color coding. So first I just go here, and what I will do is that this is the negative terminal. So I just take this here, and from here what I will actually do is I will just take this to the negative port of the resistor, so the terminal here. There you go, that's it. And then what I'll be needing is that this positive one, I will be connecting that to, I drag it, I take it here, and as you can see, it's gonna drag it smoothly. Sometimes you're gonna struggle with this, so what I suggest is that you just connect two lines like that. Okay, and after that, what I need is that this part here, negative to the negative terminal of the resistor, which is in parallel. I will showcase that in a while, just give me a moment. So as you can see here, I bring it here, so on the other side. Okay, so this one is also in parallel connection, and this one as well, so two ends. And this positive terminal of the ammeter, I can actually just connect to any free node on the breadboard. After that, the last part is the power supply, and you have to again be careful with the color coding. So this one is negative, so I just take that, click, and then I just drag it smoothly and nicely. You can see it looks very nice. And then I take it up, and somewhere should be somewhere there. Okay, see that might happen, and if that happens, then you're in trouble. So we're done now, and let's see by starting the simulation what happens. So as you can see now, there is 0. So there is a problem now that we couldn't get voltage here, and the reason for that is I will just show you in a while. That we have here, if you just click on that, so 5 and 5 current. So let's check what's the error. So I just delete that, and I delete that as well. So here I just drag that and take it to the, let's say, this part. Let me just see if I can connect this. Yes, now it's gonna go. There we go. And then I just click. So as you can see that sometimes you will struggle with that. So what I'll do is I'll just simply just erase that and start again with a negative wire because there is a connection issue. So I will just smoothly bring that here. There you go. That's it. That's easy. And then the negative one, as told earlier, so you're gonna struggle sometimes with getting this sorted, you see. So I suggest to practice this a lot such that there will be no issues afterwards. And now we have the positive one, don't forget that in the power supply. So this positive will go to the, and there we go, you just take that here and then in line with this here. Okay, now what has happened is that this one, sometimes you have to be careful with the colors. Okay, now let's check now. So there we go, now it's working. So you have to be careful with the connections. So I just troubleshooted it in front of you. Sometimes the drag and drop of the wires, you know, you have to practice that because it will cause errors. Now you can see that if I vary the voltage or current, let's say, so you can see the value of the you know, the value of the what we say voltage is differing. Okay, and similarly if I vary the voltage, the current, you know, is increasing as well. So what happens is that if the resistance is constant, so voltage is directly proportional to current. So that was just a simple demonstration of how to simulate in TinkerCAD in a virtual system, you know, how you design circuit, and then you can physically, by using this schematic scheme and diagram, you know, set the values on the physical power supply, ammeter, voltmeter, and breadboard, and set up the resistor for the voltage and current to be calculated according to resistance value. This was a short video, and if it was difficult to understand, do let me know your feedback. I know that it can be a bit scratchy, especially with the wire, but you got to test it to know if there is a connection issue or not. So now you can see that everything is smooth. So till next video, take care and see you in the next video. Bye.